Hello ladies and gents, welcome. Today I'm going to turn a lidded box out of these two pieces of Spalted Sycamore. Another thing, before we start, I'd like to apologize for not uploading for the past 2 weeks. I've been very busy, and the first week I was sick after the last video because it took so long and I was in the shed in the cold for about 9 hours. So I caught a cold and I was sick for the rest of the week. And then after that, I was busy at the charity I work at. But the good news is we got a laser printer now at that charity, so I could engrave logo or patterns, designs on the pieces we make if I choose to. Okay guys, this is sanded to 400 grit. Now I'm going to apply Yorkshire grit. Yorkshire grit is like an abrasive paste, like it's a cotton polish. So guys, now I'm going to apply microcrystalline wax. It's a hard wearing, water repellent wax. So I've been using this for a long time, and I found it to be the best wax. So I'm just going to show this part of the finishing, and I will do the same for every for the lid as well and inside. So I won't be showing those parts, just to save us time. Okay, all done, guys. I just finished buffing it up with chestnuts buffing kit, I believe. Yeah, I'm so happy how it turned out. It's nice and smooth. I thought it would be way too perky. I mean, it is some part, but the main part outside it turned out nice and smooth. So yeah, I can't complain at all. I've hollowed all the way underneath the rim. It's nice and big. I believe it's the biggest one I made, and I don't know if you guys do the same way as I do. Your lidded boxes. Do you do recess, or do you just do the tenon? I find recess to be it's a bit it takes a little bit more time because you gotta reverse. But in the long run, if you wanna apply again another coat later on, you can easily both of the lid and the box. So it's a bonus to take a little time, do a recess in the lid and the box, so it can be mounted again without like using reverse jaws. Some of you might not have that, so this is a good way to do it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, also the lid turned out a bit darker. I guess it had a lot more spalting at the end. It was clear it had more spalting at the end, so it turned out darker. But you see this spalting, it matches this one because it was chopped next from the same log. I like it. Let me know what you guys think, and if you have any suggestion ideas for next projects, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you all for watching. Thank you to all of you who comment on the past videos and your encouraging comments. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you all for watching. I'll talk to you guys on the next video.